Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are Group C, and today we will presentation about attitude and how to check of Honda Vario 116. So let's get started. Okay, chapter 1 about persuasion model, attitude, and behavior. Based on Theory Solomon 2024, page 165, persuasion is an active attempt to create or change attitude. The theory identified two routes of message processing that can influence attitude. There are central route and the peripheral route based on Solomon 2024, page 166 and 167. And then central root. In this root, consumers are actively engaged in evaluating the message or using logic and reasoning. Uh, Moreover, peripheral roots is consumers do not deeply evaluate the information but rather make decisions based on emotional and external factors such as influencer or brand ambassador. Okay, this is the flow chart of persuasive Honda Vario 116. This is explained about the persuasion will change the attitude of the consumer and guide the behavior. So I'll explain the flow chart. In the case of Astra Honda motor combines both the central route and the peripheral routes approach. The central route is focused on product-related information. For example, Honda Vario 116 is equipped with a 160 centimeter cubic engine with deliver greater power while maintaining full efficiency. For instance, when someone sees an ads for the Honda Vario 116, they might not focus on technical details like engine capacity or fuel efficiency. Instead, they draw to the styled ads or the celebrity brand ambassador. This element create an emotional impression that encourage consumer to like the product even without true analyzing in the specification. The persuasion process is supported by several communication factors such as the message, everyday go bigger, greater, and pride. The press, everyday go bigger, greater, pride, serves as the main message or persuasive slogan of the Honda Vario 160 marketing campaign, carrying strong symbolic and emotional meaning. Once the message is received, consumers begin to form an attitude toward the product. This attitude can be positive or negative. If the positive attitude, the consumer will purchase a Honda Vario and recommendation Honda Vario to others. Otherwise, if the customer give negative attitude, consumer will switch to another scooter.
Okay, next is attitude function. So the Honda Vario 160 primarily fulfills the utilitarian attitude function, which focuses on the practical benefits and comfort offered by a product. The Vario 160 is equipped with a 160cc ESP Plus engine that delivers optimal power and fuel efficiency, making it highly suitable for daily use in busy urban areas. Features such as disc brakes with ABS, a lightweight EZAF frame design, and a spacious luggage compartment add to its utility value for consumers who prioritize practicality and efficiency. In consumer behavior theory, the utilitarian function is closely related to biogenic needs and consumer direct goals, such as mobility and safety in transportation. In addition, the Vario 160 also reflects the value expressive attitude function, which allows consumers to express their personal values or self-image. This is on the Vario 160 advertisement on Instagram and YouTube. Based on the interview, the advertisement analysis, the most relevant marketing function is promotion. The Honda Vario 160 advertisement successfully shifted consumer perception from neutral to interested by emphasizing its modern design and advanced features through visually appealing content. The promotion not only provided information but also built an emotional connection, especially with younger audience who value style. Social media platforms like Instagram and YouTube also played a key role in increasing product awareness and interest. Therefore, promotion is the main driver in attracting attention and shaping consumer interest.
Okay, so let's continue to the part 3 about cognitive and affective focus. So, according to Solomon's book, 2024, page 157, cognitive models of attitude focus primarily on the belief we hold about a product to make sure that customers have a correct information about what a company sells. Solomon also stated that effective focus changes our attitudes toward products and brand by involving customer emotion. As Honda Motors promote their product, especially Honda Vario 160, through various mediums such as official website, YouTube, Instagram, and the others. The content they deliver show that Astra Honda Motor applies cognitive and affective focus. Based on our analysis of advertisement by Astra Honda Motor, we found that the company tends to prioritize the affective aspect marketing in marketing their products and understanding consumer behavior. Most of Honda Motor content, including those related Honda Vario 160, not only explain the product features and specification, but also provides tips and tricks for using Honda product. By offering advertisement that not only focus on product specification but also focus on consumer emotion can have a positive impact by in Astra Honda Motor in marketing the Honda Vario 160 and understanding their consumer behavior and needs. And as you guys can see, here are the example of the latest advertisement content of an Astra Honda motor, where they convey the dangers of flushing brake disc when they are hot, and this content show that Honda emotional concern for safety of their product user.
Based on the analysis using the Elaboration Likelihood Model or ELM, the communication strategy of the Honda Vario 116 advertisement can be explained through two main precision routes, the central routes and then peripheral routes. ELM is a theory that explains how individuals process message and form attitude through the ether, central or peripheral paths. The central routes involve fast, deep, and truthful message processing, typically occurring when the audience is highly interested and motivated to evaluate the information. In contrast, the peripheral routes focus on emotional or visual cues and is more likely used when the audience has lower motivation or interest in analyzing the message content critically. Findings from interviews show that most respondents are interested in technical aspects such as the 116cc engine performs, ABS braking system, smart key system, and fuel efficiency. Some even seek further technical information from official website or YouTube reviews. This indicates that the dominant persuasion route is the central route. As consumer age with the advertisement through logical and rational thinking. The Honda Vario 116 adds support this by clearly presenting technical feature and perform-related content. Dominant route identification is central route. Based on interview and advertisement content, Honda Vario 116 emphasizes technical information functional features, which are key characteristic of the central routes. However, this strategy is also supported by element of the peripheral route to enhance emotional impressions and a modern lifestyle.
According to Solomon 2024, page 176, there are 14 types of message appeal in the case of Honda Vario 160 advertisement. The appeal used in comparative as it highlights keywords such as stronger, smarter, and bigger to position the Vario 160 as superior to its predecessors. The primary message appeal used in the Honda Vario 160 advertisement is rational appeal. The emphasis the scooter powerful 160cc engine, sporty and bold design, and advanced features like keyless ignition and disc brakes. It highlights objective product benefits such as performance, agility, and strength, aiming to convince consumers through logic and functionality rather than emotion. The tagline and visual reinforce the idea of bigger, stronger, and faster, positioning the Vario 160 as a high performance choice for riders seeking both style and substance. The most effective message in the Honda Vario 160 advertisement is the emphasis on advanced design and powerful performance. But both respondents highlighted how their initial neutral perception shifted after being repeatedly exposed to visuals showcasing the scooter's sporty appearance, advanced feature, and engine strength. This suggests that the design focus on performance-driven content in the effectively reshape consumer attitudes and increased product interest.
Okay, so let's continue to part 6 about medium and channel use. First, we will talk about primary communication medium that Astra Honda Motor used in communicate their product value to the customers. And based on our observation, Astra Honda Motor appears to be more active in providing updates through their website by publishing press release and articles. And on their official Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook accounts, this company typically shares identical advertisement content, averaging around 3 posts in 1 month. And in contrast, on their official website, www.astrahonda.com, Astra Honda Motor publish more than 3 press release or articles each month. And according to data obtained from www.similarweb.com, as you guys can see in the right side of this slide, Astronaut Motor official website recorded approximately 4.3 million visits in the past month.
Medium and channels used. Point 2 is the most effective channel based on interview. Based on the interview and advertisement analysis, the most effective channel is social media, particularly Instagram and YouTube. The interviews reveal that most respondents encountered the Honda 4160 advertisement through these platforms, and they found the content more engaging and memorable compared to traditional media like television. Social media allowed for repeated exposure, which helped strengthen brand recall and increase curiosity about the product. This suggests that Instagram and YouTube are the most visible and impactful channels for reaching the target audience and shaping their perception.
Next, key findings summary. The marketing strategy of Honda Vario 116 reflects a combination of cognitive and affective elements with a strong emphasis on rational appeal stroke the central roots. As described in the elaboration likelihood model or ELM suggests that there are two main routes of persuasion: the central route, which involves deep machine processing and logical evaluation, and the peripheral route, which relies on superficial cues like visual or emotion. Attitude function is from the interviews, it is clear that the consumer attitude toward Honda Vario 116 both utilitarian function where the product is valued for its practical benefits such as full efficiency, safely features and daily usability and value expressive function where reading the motorcycle reflects personal identity and lifestyle, giving a sense of pride and confidence. And then ELM approach, the dominant route is central routes, as many respondents highlight their interest in technical features and instead they seek features in information from official website or YouTube reviews. This show that they are motivated and capable of processing the information deeply. However, the peripheral route also plays a supporting role, especially in visual storytelling, music, and lifestyle por- por- portrayal aimed and attracting younger audience or those influenced by emotional cause. And message appeal, the message use a combination of rational and emotional appeal. Rational appeal are evident to clear communication of product, speech, and benefits, while emotional appeal are embedded in a visual and narrative that highlight lifestyle and personal experience. Next, message focus. The primary focus of the marketing message is on product features or technical specification and innovation, followed by lifestyle representation, such as how the motorcycle support a modern, confident, and active lifestyle. Next, communication channels. According to the interviews, YouTube, especially short video and influencer review, is the most effective platform. Other channels include social media, word of mouth, and official web. These channels are the effective due to their accessibility, engine, a visual, and credibility.
For the recommendation for strategy improvement, to improve the effectiveness of Honda 160 marketing strategy, it's recommended to enhance the balance between central and peripheral routes of persuasion, while the current approach emphasizes on rational appeals, incorporating emotional storytelling that connects technical features such as fuel efficiency with themes of freedom, confidence, and an active lifestyle can strengthen the peripheral route. Collaborating with influencers who can communicate with technical specification in a relatable and emotional engaging manner will help integrate both routes more effectively. It is also advisable to diversify content formats across platforms by utilizing short form video content, IG, Instagram, Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts that blends product features with lifestyle elements in real world scenarios such as daily commuting or leisure travels. Lastly, increasing consumers' engagement through interactive initiatives such as user generated content campaigns or augmented reality based virtual test rides can foster emotional involvement while encouraging deeper information processing. Influencer partnerships should prioritize individuals who combine technical credibility with strong lifestyle presence.
No, the next one is verbatim data. And in this data, we summarize the response of the five respondents regarding the Honda Vario 160 advertisement. Each respondent showed varying initial perception, ranging from neutral, doubtful, to skeptical. And however, after seeing the advertisement, there was a significant change in attitude. For example, Holden, who was initially doubtful, become more positive after seeing an attractive visual on YouTube. Nur Aini showed increase thanks to the modern appearance of the advertisement on Instagram. Meanwhile, Alpha Farisi, who was initially skeptical, felt neutral after seeing advertisement on Facebook, although he considered the lack of technical detail of the drawback. Other response, Isra and Dava, also show positive effect. Elizabeth increased loyalty due to a strong visual impact of the advertisement on TV, and Dava, who saw advertisement through the official website, become more motivated to buy because of the attractive design. So from here, we can conclude that visual element and social media play a major role in shaping consumer perception and interest in other products.
In interview analysis, we have 3 points. At first is initial perception. Most respondents were neutral or hesitant at first. Limited information and exposure led to uncertainty about Vario 160 key feature, especially among those who already owned a motorcycle. At second is ad experience. The ad was seen as more visually engaging than informative. It focused on lifestyle, stylish design, and the riding experience, resonating especially with younger audience who value aesthetics and social image. And last is media influence. Instagram and YouTube were the primary platforms where respondents saw the ad. Repeated exposure increased product, family, and curiosity.